So as you see the diagram, we discussed this sine curve, how to draw the sine curve and cosine curve. Okay, now cosine curve how to draw I already discussed, right? So in this part today, what we'll just today I'm just saying for once again for just for like a clear view. This is a sine curve. Okay, you can see that the sine function has this up and down curve like this. Okay, in when you learn in physics wave chapter, in this wave chapter also you learn the same thing. Okay, so this is the thing you can see when sine 0 the value is 0, and when sine it is 90 degree, so the value is 1, like that. Okay, so this is the curve. So it start at 0, head up with 1 by pi by 2 radian, and then head down to -1 by 3 pi by 2. Okay, so the what information we learned from okay, fine, after cosine curve I will tell this, that cosine curve also same look, just cosine like sine, but it start with 1. Okay, it start with 1. The difference between sine and cosine curve is that sine is from 0, you can, this will move like that, and cosine curve will start from 1, because we know that cos 0 is 1, right? Then cos 90 is 0, cos pi is -1, again cos 3 pi by 2 is 0. So this like that. Now one thing we learned, we knew this one before also, that sine and cos, what is the highest value we got? Look, the highest value, I am asking the numerical value. Okay, numerical value highest they achieve 1 and -1. Last day also I discussed this one, right? So this is the range of sine curve. Okay, sine curve range is -1 to 1. Okay, and they can take -1. Similarly, cosine also, their range is -1 to 1. Okay, now tangent curve is little bit difficult, like that. Tangent curve, if I let me show you tangent curve. Tan 0 degree, we know 0, right? And we know that tan 90 degree or tan -90 degree, they are undefined, right? So look, when this curve is going toward tan pi by 2, it's not touching tan pi by 2, right? So this is the curve like that. Understood? They will tan curve will never touch the pi by 2 or minus pi by 2 or minus 3 pi by 2 or minus pi by 2, like that. Okay, but it is 0, tan 0, we know at 0 degree tan value is 0, at pi tan value is 0, tan 2 pi value is also 0, like that. Okay, so this is tan curve is little bit like that. Okay, so here the definition, if you see the definition, I mean like explanation, what is saying that the tangent function has a completely different shape. It goes between negative and positive infinitely. Okay, it is down, it is negative infinitely, and up is positive infinitely. And then um, so they are the things, that is we know about sine cos tan curve. Okay, now what we'll learn today's class main topic is trigonometric equation. So like like other equation, like some quadratic equation or cubic equation, there have also trigonometric equation. Suppose we have equation like this. cos sorry cos x plus sec x equal to 3/4. Okay, suppose we having equation like that, cos x plus sec x equal to 3/4, and we have to find the value of x. Okay, how to find the value of x? So this is the things when this is the things we learn today's class. So in this trigonometric equation, we basically have to solve trigonometric equation. Okay, so there are two parts. One part is this. One part is called principal solution. One part is called principal solution. What is principal solution? In principal solution, let's take a value, then I will explain. Suppose I'm taking one example to show. Without example, I can explain. So suppose sine x equal to given square root. Everyone keep ready your that chart. Okay, everyone make sure you have the chart, the trigonometric ratio chart. Okay, because I will ask you few angles. Square root by 2. Okay, I have one information this, that suppose the question is find the, let me write the question, find the principal solution, principal solution of this. Okay, let's find the principal solution of sin x equal to 3/2. Now let me know from the chart which value will be the sin x, so that sin x will be 3/2. Let me know what value, what will be the value of x, so that sin x will be 3/2. Let me know the value. First, from the chart, let me know which value will give you sin 3 by root 3/2. Okay, pi by 3. Okay, there is a contradiction is there. One is saying pi by 3, another one is pi by 3 means 60 degree. Okay, that's also correct. Another one is saying 120 degree. 120 degree. Sin 120 degree. Okay, fine. This is the, now from your answer, I got the, I mean, from your reply you got my answer. So first let's see, suppose this x lying on first quadrant. Okay, so first quadrant, we can write pi by 3, right? Pi by 3 means 60 degree. So pi by 3, we know that this angle lying in first quadrant, right? Now we also know this, we know that sin x equal to sin pi minus x. Okay, sin x equal to sin pi minus x. Therefore, therefore, okay, sorry, let me write from here what we got. After that we have to write Therefore x equal to pi by 3. 0 pi by 3. Now let me write, we know sin x equal to sin pi minus x, right? So what we can write, therefore sin pi by 3, that is equal to, we can write sin pi minus pi by 3. Okay, if you simplify this one, you will get sin 2 pi by 3, right? Understood? So we got, therefore we got, which is equal to, which is equal to sin 2 pi by 3, which is equal to sin 2 pi by 3, right? Okay, so what we can write from here, therefore, that means there, therefore x equal to 2 pi by 3. Okay, so what, how many value we got for this particular question? X, we got x equal to pi by 3, right? And when x is in when you have to write here, when x lies in first quadrant, first quadrant, and this question, sorry, this part we have to write when x lies in second quadrant. So this is how to find, this is how to find the principal solution. Okay, this is how to find the principal solution. Similarly, look, we know that in first quadrant and second quadrant sign value is positive, right? So whenever you are getting positive value, you have to check in other quadrant also, right? Similarly, cos which quadrant positive? First and fourth quadrant. So suppose any positive value given for cos, what you have to do, you have to find simply for by putting the first quadrant value, you can find by one angle. Then you have to use same formula, cos theta equal to, you know that, pi minus x, right? Pi minus x or 2 pi minus x cos. Here is the formula. Where is the formula? Yeah, cos 2 pi minus x equal to cos x, right? So we have to use this thing. This is formula number 9. Okay, so now let's do one principal problem from your book. this question is exercise 3.4. Exercise 3.4, this question is given. Question number 4. I'm not doing only one because this is very easy question. This is cosec, given cosec x equal to -2, right? Let's do cot x equal to minus root 3. So in this question, first how to do, which quadrant cot is negative? Cot, in which quadrant cot is negative? In which quadrant cot is negative? Let me know, in which quadrant cot negative? Fourth quadrant cot is negative, and obviously fourth quadrant cot negative, and second quadrant, right? After school to college, so tan and cot is positive only in first and third quadrant, so second and fourth, right? So first we have to check the second quadrant value. Okay, how to? So which value of cot is root 3? Let me know. We know only root 3. Which value? What value of cot is root 3? We know cot x, sorry, cot pi by 3 or pi by 6. Pi by 6, I guess. Correct or wrong? Cot pi by 6, right? Yeah, pi by 6. Cot pi by 6 is root 3, right? So that means if we use the formula, I'm showing again the formula. I'm showing you again this formula number 9. I hope all of you already copied the formula. Well, let me show you one thing. I hope all of you can see this formula. Cos pi minus x equal to minus cos x, and sin pi minus x equal to sin x, right? So what will be tan? I did not enter that time. Tan pi minus x. What will be tan pi minus x? Tan pi minus x will be equal to sin pi minus x divided by cos pi minus x, right? Okay, so what we will get? We will get sin a pi minus x equal to what? Sin x. We will get sin x divided by minus cos x. Why? Because cos pi minus x equal to minus cos x. So it is equal to, sorry, it is equal to minus tan x. Understood? So cos, similarly, only if you have to remember the sine and cos. Okay, if you remember the sine and cos value, you will remember this. You don't have to remember all everything. Only you have to remember the sine and cos one. Other 10 you can find by yourself. Okay. So what we have 10 pi minus x. 10 pi minus x equal to minus 10x. So similarly, cot pi minus x will be minus cot x, right? We know this, and cot pi minus x is equal to minus cot x. Okay, so what we will get here, just put pi minus x here. Therefore cot pi minus pi by 6 is equal to minus cot pi by 6, which is equal to minus 3. Okay, so what we got, cot pi minus pi by 6. Therefore next line we will write cot 6 minus 5, this is 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6 is equal to minus square root of 3. Therefore this one equal to this, then cot x equal to cot pi by 3. Next, so x equal to, we got 5 pi by 6. This is the one value. Okay, another value we have to find. How to find another value? How to find another value? Again, we have to go to the, this is the one value we got. Again, we have to go to the formula. Formula number 9. Okay, look. We had cos, this one I just added. So you can add by yourself later. This one, cos 2 pi by 6 minus, cos 2 pi by 2 pi minus 6 equal to cos x, and sine 2 pi minus x equal to sine x. So what will be cot 2 pi minus x? Let's write after that. Cot 2 pi minus x. Cot 2 pi minus x equal to, just showing you, cos 2 pi minus x divided by sine 2 pi minus x. So cos 2 pi minus x is how much? Cos x divided by sine 2 pi minus x is sine x, which is equal to minus cot x. Okay, so what we got? We got minus cot cos 2 pi minus x is also equal to minus cot x, right? So therefore cot 2 pi minus pi by 6 is equal to 2 pi minus 2 by 6 equal to cot pi 6, which is equal to minus square root of 3. Okay, so therefore cot x equal to this, so we can replace this minus root 3 with this cot. Okay, so x equal to, we'll get this value, which is equal to something by 6, that is 11 pi by 6. Am I clear now? What are the steps? Let me show you again. The steps, first steps, whenever you are getting the value, first check which quadrant they are. Okay, understood. After that, you will have to use this kind of value. That value is like cot pi minus x or cot 2 pi minus x. Okay, these two value you have to check. So we just found here cot pi minus x equal to minus cot x, right? And here we found cot 2 pi minus x equal to minus cot x. And look, minus root 3 cot x equal to will be given minus root 3, right? So we know that cos pi by 6 equal to root 3. That means the minus root 3 means minus cot pi by 6. Understood? So this value, when we got this, we have to write like this. Okay. Okay, yeah, like this. So we just found that cot 5 pi by 6 equal to minus root 3. So cot x equal to root 3, that means cot x equal, you can write cot pi by 3, sorry, 5 pi by 6. So x value will be 5 pi by 6. Look, the thing is that here now, here we have to somehow find the value of x. Okay, we have to find somehow the value of x. Understood? And here always there will be two value. One is here, we can see when we'll write when x is, when x lies in second quadrant, second quadrant, and here when lies in fourth quadrant, fourth quadrant. So this is our principal value. Okay, now let's move on to the general solution. Very important part. General solution. General solution. This is the most important part of this today's topic. If any doubt regarding previous thing, you can ask me. If anyone have any doubt regarding the previous principal solution, you can ask me now. Okay, in principal solution, there are few theorem. Okay, let me write the theorem first. Then theorem 1 is for for any for any real number for any real number x and y x and y sin x equal to sin y implies x equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n y, where n belongs to real number z. I hope all of you remember what is z. Z is set of integers, right? Then theorem 2. What theorem 2 is saying, for any real number x and y, let me write down all the things, then I will explain. For any real number x and y, cos x equal to cos y implies cos x equal to cos y implies x equal to 2n pi plus minus y, where n belongs to integers. Okay. Similarly, number 3, theorem 3 is if x and y if x and y are not odd multiple of pi by 2, not all multiple of pi by 2, then tan x equal to tan y implies x equal to n pi plus y, where n belongs to z. Okay, so this is the 3 theorem. Okay, let me revise once what they are saying. Theorem 1 is saying that for any real number x and y, sin x equal to sin y. When sin x equal to sin y implies that x equal to n pi plus in bracket minus 1 to the power n. Okay, what is the whatever the value of n, we have to write like that. And n is, I hope all of you know that this z means what? Z means real, sorry, integers, right? Set of integers is denoted by z. Okay, actually this is double z. This is the set of integers. Similarly, what is saying that for theorem 2, for any real number is cos x, cos y, cos x equal to cos y, this will imply x equal to 2n pi plus minus y, where n belongs to z. Similarly, here one condition is given: if x and y are not odd multiple of pi by 2, then a tan x equal to tan y will imply x equal to n pi plus y. So let's move on. Let's do some question. Okay, then we'll understand. And okay, fine. So let go to the one question. One question. Let's find. For proof, you no need proof this one. Okay. Let's. I'm giving one example. This is in your book. This is example 24, page number 77. Okay. The question is this: 2 cos square x plus 3 sin x is equal to 0. 2 cos square is equal to sin x equal to 0. Okay. So here, how to solve this kind of question? We have to solve like that. Look, here is one sin x there and cos x there. So we can solve it like a quadratic equation. But we have to make a this cos and sine, right? Because here also sin x is there, so that we can use that sin x as the quadratic equation. So first is implies 2 in bracket we can write 1 minus sine square x, right? Cos square equal to, we know that 1 minus sine square x, 3 sin x equal to 0. Next line, if you simplify this one, we'll get minus 2 sine square x plus 3 sin x equal to 0. So if you take minus common, we'll get like this. If we take minus common, we'll get like this: 3 sin x minus 2 equal to 0. If you take minus common, we'll get 2 sin square x minus 3 sin x minus 2 equal to 0. So we can solve this one in like quadratic equation. Okay, we can write as a quadratic equation, we can write 2 sine square x, okay, minus 4 sine x plus sine x minus 2 equal to 0. Then take 2 sine x common, so we'll get sine x minus 2, then plus 1 in outside the bracket, sine x minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, then so next line what we can write, we can take this sine x common, we can take the sine x common. What will be left? Left will be 2 sine x plus 1 equal to 0. The next line either equal to 0, okay, or this equal to 0. Understood. So we know that this 2, if 2 multiplication is 0, that means one part is 0. So next line what we can write, sine x is equal to, so now sine x equal to 2. Now let me know which value of sine x equal to 2. I'm simplifying the next part, but let me know which value of sine x is equal to 2. Let me know which value of sine x is equal to 2. Anyone? Sine? Yeah. In the table, which sine value? Obviously, in the table, somehow you find out. From where? What is the value? Which value of sine x is 2? Let's see anyone got the answer or not. Cosec pi by 6. No, I'm asking what is the value, which value of sine x will be minus will be 2. Look, in the last sine curve, what I told, in the last part of sine curve, what I told that sine maximum value achieved is 1 and lowest value is minus 1. Look, sine curve is between 1 to minus 1, so sine maximum value can be 1, right? So this value is not possible. Sine sine 2 is not possible, not possible, right? Because sine maximum value is 2. So we will not take this value, we will take the next value. So next value, what we got, 2 sine x plus 1 equal to 0, right? So sine x equal to what? Minus 1 by 2. We know that sine pi by 6 equal to 1 by 2, and sine pi plus x also sine minus sine x. So what we can write, therefore minus sine pi by 6 equal to, we can write sine pi plus by 6, okay, which is equal to sine 7 pi by 6, okay. Therefore, look, we have to solve actually this part, sine x equal to minus 1 by 2, right? So we know that sine pi by 6 equal to 1 by 2, right? So minus sine pi by 6 equal to minus 1 by 2, understood? Therefore again, therefore sine x equal to minus 1 by 2 equal to sine this equal to sine 7 pi by 6, which implies x, here we have to write, hence the solution, hence x equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n. Okay, once again check what I'm writing, what we wrote. Okay, after this part, I hope up to this part everyone can solve. We found sine x equal to minus 1 by 2, right? We found sine x equal to minus 1 by 2. Then what we are doing, we know that sine pi by 6 equal to 1 by 2, right? And sine pi plus x equal to minus sine x. So what we are getting, minus sine pi by 6 equal to sine pi plus pi by 6. Okay, minus sine x equal to sine pi plus x. So like that we got sine pi by 7 pi by 6. Okay, now we have to solve this one, sine x equal to minus 1 by 2. Sine x equal to minus 1 by 2, that can be written as sine minus sine pi by 6, and we got here sine pi by 6 equal to sine 7 pi by 6, right? So we can write sine x equal to sine 7 pi by 6, understood? Now our theorem 1 will work. How? What theorem 1 is saying? Again, let me see. For any real number x and y, if sin x equal to sin y, it will imply x equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into y, where n belongs to z. Look, here we can write sin x equal to sin y part, and both are real numbers. X and 7 pi by 6 both are real number. So x value will be n pi plus minus 1 to the power n 7 pi by 6. You have to include one thing, that n belongs to double z. N belongs to integer. So what is our work in this part? In this general solution, our work will be the right hand side, whatever the value will be, the right hand side we have to write like that. Sin x equal to, we had minus 1 by 2, right? So we have to write minus 1 by 2 as something like with the angle. Okay, let me do one problem from exercise. From exercise, let me do one problem. Okay, let's do number 8. Exercise 3.4. I'm doing number 8. Okay, set x, so it's x squared 2x equal to 1 minus tan 2x. Okay, so in this question, how to solve? We know one relation between sec and tan, right? Sec square equal to 1 minus tan square x, right? So we'll replace like with that. Sec square equal to, we know that 1 minus tan square 2x, which is equal to 1 minus tan 2x. Okay, next we have to just construct the we have to construct the quadratic equation. Okay, so we can from both side, we can see from both side 1 cancel, right? So the left hand side, it will be minus tan square 2x, and if you take this minus tan 2x to the right left hand side, it will be plus tan 2x, which is equal to 0. So next line, if you keep tan 2x common, what will remain? If you take tan 2x common, remain will be tan 2x minus 1, which is equal to 0, right? So either minus tan 2x equal to 0, which implies tan 2x equal to 0. Okay, tan which value is 0? Tan which value is 0? 0, right? Tan 0 is 0, right? So that will imply 2x equal to 2x equal to n pi plus 0. Why I'm writing this? Again, I'm reminding you the theorem 3. Look, if x and y are not odd multiple of pi by 2, right? X and y. So here you can see x is 2x. So it is not an odd multiple, right? Then tan x equal to tan y implies x equal to n pi plus x. So here you can see tan x equal to tan y. Here tan x value is 2x. Here tan y value is 0. So x equal to n pi plus y. So that implies actually x equal to n pi divided by 2. Okay, where obviously you have to write this n belongs to real number. Okay, or don't forget the or part. This part also was included. So if this part is 0, tan 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So tan 2x value will be 1. We know that tan pi by 4 is value is 1, right? So we'll write 1 tan pi by 4, which implies 2x. Again, 2x is not an odd multiple, right? Equal to n pi plus pi by 4. Okay, so don't forget this one. N belongs to integers. Am I clear? So this is how you have to solve this question. Okay. Oh, sorry, it is not completed. After that, you have to find x value. We found x, right? So next we have to find x also. X equal to then n pi by 2 plus pi by 8. Pi by 8 Okay, let me see the answer. 1048. Hmm, 3 pi from where did 3 pi? So this is the answer. Okay, regarding question number 8, any doubt? Well, last part. Okay, wait, one thing I miss one thing. Okay, sec square, this is my mistake. We know this, sec square x minus tan square x. We know this identity, right? Sec square x equal to sec square x minus tan square x equal to 1, right? So sec square x equal to 1 plus tan square x. So I made one mistake. This will be 1 plus tan square x. Am I clear? Other part I will explain later. I mean I will explain, but let me just correct something. It will be 1 plus tan square 2x. So here it will be, sorry, plus, here also plus, and here also plus. So it will not make any further change. We can just include. Understood? This one mistake I did. 1 obviously cancel from this, but this plus, so that it will be tan 2x plus 1. So tan 2x equal to 0. This part is okay. So all of you having doubt this part, right? So obviously you can see it will be tan 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So tan 2x will be minus 1. Okay, and tan, which value is minus 1? If you check from the table, you will find tan 3 pi by 4 will be minus 1. Okay, you can check from the table, tan 135 degree is minus 1. Understood? So when tan 2x equal to minus 1, we can write tan 2x equal to tan 3 pi by 4, right? So 2x equal to, it will be 3 pi by n pi plus y, that is 3 pi by 4. If you see the theorem 3, what is theorem 3 saying? If x and y are not odd multiple of pi by 2, then tan x equal to tan y implies x equal to n pi plus y. Okay, so here you can see it is not an odd multiple. It is, so it will imply that x, here x is 2x, equal to n pi plus y. What is y? 3 pi by 4. So x will give you n pi by 2 plus 3 pi by 8. Now this also included. Okay, now it is clear. Last part, the part of what are we talking about, last part, it is clear now. Okay, so fine, I'm doing one more problem, that is question number 5. So one I'm showing the sine. Now tan also is finished. I'm just showing the cos also. After that, all the other solution I will give you as a notes only, because this is very easy part. You can do self study. Otherwise, my syllabus will not complete it. This is cos 2x. Okay, sine I already given one example. Now cos, tan also given. Now let's cos. So you can see cos 4x equal to cos 2x, right? So we can use the formula. What formula we'll use? Theorem 2. What theorem 2 is saying? If cos x equal to cos y, that will imply x equal to 2n pi plus y. So it will imply 4x equal to, next line what we can write? We can write cos 4x minus cos 2x equal to 0. Then we'll use the cos A minus cos B formula. Okay, what is cos A minus cos B formula? Formula number, check your book, check your notebook where I gave the formula. 22. Cos A minus cos B formula is minus 2. Oh, here also we are getting sign. Huh? Okay, fine, let's show this one. 2 sine x minus y. What is x minus y? 4x minus 2x divided by 2. Then sine, sorry, it was x plus y. First is x plus y, then x minus y, then x minus y. Okay, we know that sine x plus y by 2 into sine x minus y by 2. That is the formula. So if you simplify this one, it will be minus 2 sine 4x plus 2x 6x, it will be 3x, and then sine 4x minus 2x 2x, sine x equal to 0. So this is also sine terms. Okay, so either sine 3x equal to 0 or sine x equal to 0. This is also sine term, so it is not it is same as the before. Okay, it will be same as before. Either next line I can write this. So either sine 3x equal to 0, okay, which is equal to sine 0, that will this will imply 3x equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into 0, okay, which will imply 3x equal to n pi, okay, which will imply x equal to n pi by 3. Am I clear? Similarly, sin x also you can find like this. Look here, this part vanished, right? Because why? Our formula was into formula was n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into y, right? So into y, here is y is 0, so this part vanish. Understood? So n pi, we got 3x equal to n pi and x equal to n pi by 3. Similarly, or part also you can do like this, that sin x equal to 0, or part will be same as this. Only here value is x, so is this. Okay, so cos 1 I will try to give you where I have to find which formula. Okay, I mean which question will give you cos. So cos 1 you can do by yourself also. This is same as before. So in general solution, what you can see, our main task is, in general solution, our main task is that we have to write sine something or cos something equal to the whatever the value, we have to write in a sine form, okay, in a trigonometric ratio form, and then we have to use the formula. Okay, fine, then Okay, now everyone write down your roll number. I hope everyone have roll number, right? So write down roll number. Okay, sir, 10 135 is no. 10 135 is 3 pi by 4. 5 pi by 4 will exceed the value. 10 pi 135 is 135 value means don't leave the class. Okay, who is leaving the class? I don't know. I am saying to just send the roll numbers, not to leave the class. Those who are leaving without uh, this one, I will make you absent. Okay. Roll number 1, 2, 15, 17, 4, 5, 6, 2, 6, 10, 7, 8, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14, 1, 18, 18, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 9 done. 7 here, 15, 17, 15, 17, 2. Okay, fine. The recording